I'm Preston. Oh my god, feed the birdies. We got brand new bird feed from a tractor outside. We gotta be very quiet. We can't disturb all the birds out there. All the birds. Here's my tractor. My tractor feed. It opens up like that. Just like that. Then you open this all up. Like that. Look at all that bird feed. This is awesome. And then we just pop it on in there. Just like that.
Smells like peanuts.
It does smell like peanut butter. Close it back up. And we put that on there for safety. So we don't need that opening up by accident when the birds get on there. And then we put the tractor back on the perch.
Did you build that perch yourself?
I did. Out of a stick and screws.
And that's how you feed the
And
birds
that's how
then.
I feed my birdies. And we sit back and wait for the birdies to come. Now we go back inside.
Say bye.
Bye, Preston.